Doesn't notice. It's fixing to get real interesting. Right up there. Do you think we might be able to get him down this trail too? So that's what I'm saying. It's a very expanded road. On that tree. I don't know, do we just give it a couple minutes, see what they do, and then we can always slip up?
Yeah, I think so.
Not that one. I hope that's by then. Heck yeah. What you think, Zach? Huh? What'd you think about that?
I like it, boy.
You hear him strutting and drumming? We got him, guys. Oh, I came strutting in. He went silent on us.
Yeah, he whistled down.
He was right out. I thought I heard him walking in there.
So I can hear good, man.
Got him.
Sure.
That was legit.
Told you now? Good?
Yeah, I think we're good. I think we should go take a look. See what I got. I went right on this flat, dude. Wait, is that him? Yeah, that's him, I think. It's getting really... Really slapped the waist. I got him good. Got him real good. He's got a pretty good rope on. Not bad, man. Got some pretty good spurs on him. There's some thick spurs. Sweet. Awesome. Oh yeah, man. Shoot, yeah. That's awesome. Well, hopefully Jonny and Blake can get on something yet. That'd be awesome. Slip up a little bit. Hold on for a bit. See if we hear him gobble again. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, we're about to cross here. Okay. You take this and I'm going.
Just over that, guys. You see him? Alright. Sit up here for a bit, or do you want to keep going?
Let's get here and call it down.
See if we can get one to pull off and come in. Dude, there he is up on this hill, I think.
I could be hunkered down and they'll come behind something.
Alright. Oh, dude, they might be coming. Let's go.
Hey, if you shoot one, just don't move.
Yeah, hopefully there's two of them that stick around. Now just quit calling, just shut up on them and make them want to look for you. They're hot, they want to come. Let them come. sure how long I'm gonna be able to let him walk over, so I might have to take my first chance at one. Alright.
Come shoot. Come see where we come from. Get it.
Oh, he's closer. He's definitely closer. They're gonna come right over soon.
Okay, that's the tree. See him coming up here?
Oh, yeah.
Don't kill it.
Yeah. Oh, wait, see if...
Kill him.
Start purring. Got him. He might start coming in. He's still over that lip, dude. We might be able to get him in. If he starts flapping like crazy, he might come back in. Dude.
I told you, hey, first time I've been up there all year, man.
He's a little bit up and over, I think.
I'm fishing. He's right up there with your turn. It's easy part. See if we can.
Yeah, let's slowly get up. He's probably just over that hill. Keep creeping up. Oh yeah, there they are. Out there. They're like 80 yards. I think there's one or two of them. You see them? Dude, they're close. Oh yeah, I see him. He's starting to come over the lip. He's right by my bird. He's getting close. Get ready. You might have to pull up and shoot him. Yeah, they're right there. Get up and shoot him. Ah, shoot.
Give me that bullet in my gun.
Hey, it happens.
Hey, man. Like I said, I brought y'all boys one. I didn't.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Can't say no. Thank you.
Can't believe you and your brother both got one. That's crazy.
Dude, I'm so pumped. That was crazy.
State record bird right here, look.
Good bird. Good bird. Beauty. I got about, ooh dude, I bet you inch and a quarter hooks. Good old beard on them. These guys were fired up. He might be a double beard, just maybe. I don't know, hard to say, but Beautiful bird. Yes. And that's how it's done, guys. Last morning. Thanks again, Blake. Appreciate it. Last minute hunt before we head north.
Go back down that way.
All right. Hey, that was
Awesome.
awesome. That was awesome.
I'm glad. Hey, I'm glad. I just like I said, I've come to bring y'all hunting. You know what I mean? I don't give a shit. I didn't kill one. I'm just kind of.
Boom, baby.
Okay, I mean, just all at once.
Dude,
Quick, too.
dude,
you see how many
they were just alone. I don't know what brought them. Like, I mean, I don't know why they weren't answering earlier.
15 of them, man. In the picture, there ain't a 10 one, and there's just 15 times. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is. You know, with dead animals up there near them, and the coyotes get tasted.
Oh man, yeah.
They start getting in your sheep then. What can you do about it?
Yep. Good deal. Head to the house. Yeah. Show the guys. Check out Dave's bird. Good stuff. Let's head back to the house. Yeah, buddy. So you got a bird down too, huh?
Oh yeah. You guys have some luck too.
Yeah. You definitely got into something.
Good night. Yeah, dude. Look at that zebra thunder. Look at that thing, dude.
Look at that bird, dude.
Did it come in pretty good?
Yeah. Yeah, they were over a lip in like this little field. And I mean, it took a while to find where these birds were because we started on a ridge, didn't hear anything. We're like, all right, let's get up and move. Circled around and heard them. So we got up to this pasture, and they must have, like, we sat back a little bit. They must have pitched away from us. We got up to that pasture on the edge, and we could see, like, just over the lip, and we could hear them right out there. Like, all right, so we started calling, and dude, it wasn't too long, and they were hammering, just slowly working up. We're like, dude, they're gonna pop over any second. And then one popped up, and then he kind of just stood there for a bit, and I was like, do I wait? And he's like, take him, dude, just take him. So I shot, and the one flew off, and then we tried to get that one back in, but there's also two more that were down there that we like snuck up to the edge and then saw them. So we got down, did a bunch of purring and gobbling at them. They gobbled back, and then finally one got up close to the bird, and he pulled up to shoot it as he was like running away, and click, forgot to rack a shell. Dude, he was right like there. He only gobbled that one time when I cut at him, like first thing. Ever since then, like there's that little flat below us that he must have landed down there and just slowly worked up, and I could hear him drumming in the bottom. And he ended up, you could see his fan just slowly peeking up as he came. Gotta check the fan span on these suckers. Thing we started doing. Start measure each bird, see how wide their whole fan is. It's kind of cool. Like some of them are a little bit wider than others.
If you want to get one that's about big as wide as bed as turkey is, you know what I'm saying? Big old thing.
Yeah. Can you imagine trying to walk, seeing a turkey try to walk through the woods with that big of a fan? Good night.
That near might have flopped around a little bit yet.
Yeah, mine flopped like dude. We couldn't find him at first. I shot him. He flopped down the hill like 50 yards. Like I got over the hill. I see like 3 feathers. I'm just like, where is that thing? So I just kept following the feathers and ended up finding him halfway down the ridge. This thing near like 28 1/4. What was the other one? 28. Is it 28 1/2? I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, perfect. Man, nice. Awesome.
I'm glad y'all got a bird.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. That was fun.